Hello, SQ6POG here, and I would like to introduce you probably the cheapest DMR repeater you can possibly build. So as a radio I use Motorola GM350 and GM950 in databox version. This one is transceiver and this is receiver. It's modified. Here I had to solder wires for the flat RX output, and it's only one jumper from motherboard to the real connector, accessory connector. And this one has modified. I also had to modify deviation, and well, it just I just retuned this radio via programming software. Duplexer is the old Polish construction RADMOR for 300 MHz, which is retuned for 70 cm band. And the best part is that's the MDVM board. It's Modem, which was designed by my friend, and it's MDVM POG version. It contains microcontroller, all of the filters for RX and TX, TCXO, and FTDI serial to USB converter. And also this header is compatible with Raspberry Pi, so we can use it as a HUD, but right now I'm using it via USB connection. And the best part is this router. I don't remember, 7 USD router, which has one USB port, one Ethernet port, and integrated Wi-Fi. I flashed it with the OpenWRT Linux distribution and compiled MMDVM host for it. So it now runs MMDVM host, and it's powered by power bank. So the whole repeater is now running. I've got here also probably the cheapest radio you can get for DMR, and I have it in echo channel. So as you can see, the repeater now is receiving those. Sorry for focus. I will try to adjust it manually. So yeah, right now you can see blinking LEDs, and the lower radio is receiver actually, and you can hear it's receiving. And right now I'm talking, so when I release PTT it should echo. So as you can see, the repeater now is receiving. Sorry for focus. I will try to adjust it manually. And just to prove, it's actually this software. Now you can see, while this is transmitting, LEDs, I will disconnect the power. The lower. And it stopped. So I will power it again. Yeah, it takes a while, but it's not so bad. Well, this router has only 4 MB of flash memory and 32 MB of RAM, as far as I remember. But I've tried it for 1 week continuous work, and it was working with no problem. So I think it just it's just enough for MDVM host software. Of course, there are no logs, and all of the debug stuff is turned off because of just lack of space. And right now, MMDVM has connected to the router. Yeah, it's blinking. Also, there should be a network connection, so I will just try to. Yeah, and as you can see, it's receiving. Yeah, as you can see. And now it's retransmitting my message. Yeah, those boards are available on GitHub. You can find it. It's called MMDVM POG. And firmware for the MCU is also available on the MMDVM GitHub. So it's the official firmware, and actually it now supports this MCU. Yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching.